Today, we'll be unboxing the Nature's Generator automatic transfer switch and taking a closer look at its key components. Let's begin by opening the box. Inside, you'll find everything you need neatly packed and ready to use. We'll lay out all the items on the table for a clear view. Here are the key components included in the package. The automatic transfer switch, the main unit that manages your power source. The user manual, which provides detailed instructions and guidance. A manual override handle, allowing you to operate the switch manually when needed. The power cord, for reliable connectivity. The inlet, used to connect your power supply. And finally, the inlet box and cover, designed for safe and secure installation. These are the complete components of your automatic transfer switch. In the next video, we'll guide you through installation and setup.